Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today we are going to see that how to create the tables into our MySQL. Just follow my steps. Before that we have to create a database, as I am writing here create database college, and we have to select it and we have to run it. Here you can see our every action has given successfully, and we have to give a code as use college, and we have to select it and run it. After that we have to write a code as create table, and we have to give the table name as student info, and we have to write in the bracket, as I want to create a column as name. For name we have to write, name is a string. For that we have to write a code as varchar 20. We have to write a database as varchar 20. I will tell you everything as we move forward in the playlist, what is mean by varchar, everything. And after that we have to create a new column as id means int. Okay, we will see two columns. Okay, after that we have to select it. After that finally we have to select it and we have to run it. Here you can see that our table has created successfully. If you want to see our table, then we have to write a simple query as show table, then it will show like this type of table. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this video. Okay, thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.